Hello and welcome to this review of the Corsair K100 RGB. So, if we look through the specs, we can first say that the keyboard, it weighs 1.31 kilograms, which means, yeah, it's a bit heavy, not too much, and you won't notice it because it will stand on a desk all the time. So, but it weighs 1.31 kilograms. And it has 6 macro keys, which is 6 programmable keys on the side of the keyboard. And those keys you can use for gaming, you can use for whatever you like. When you first start up, they will just act as numbers button, 1 to 6. But you can program them as you like. And then you get a USB pass-through port. And this port, you plug it into the PC, and then they will use as sort of a hub where you can plug in maybe a mouse, a USB stick, something else. And this port, it comes with a 2.0 Type A, so it's 2.0. So it's not a high capacity pass-through USB, but it works for normal usage as a USB stick and a mouse. The keyboard, it's wired, and it connects with a 3.0 or 3.1 USB Type A. It also comes with a detachable palm rest, which you can use or not use. I like the availability that you can choose to use it, and you can also choose not to use it. So that is a good function. Some people like the palm rest. Personally, I don't really like it, but I mean, it's nice to be able to choose. This also comes with the AXON technology, which is some kind of processing. The keyboard comes with the processor and some memory, but this processing makes it very fast, very responsive. I can put up a graph, but it's like 0.25 milliseconds compared to regular gaming keyboards, which is like 2 milliseconds, and regular keyboards, which is like 6 milliseconds. So it's very fast, very responsive, and definitely customized for gaming. It's definitely a nice feature. This keyboard comes with a very advanced RGB, and it has a lot of RGB points where you can customize it. You use the IQ app, which is the Corsair's app for basically all their RGB customizing. So you can do a lot of things, you can make it breathe, you can make it, yeah, you have a lot of options there, and that is also a very nice feature, and it looks really good, gotta say that. Then we come to a small con, which is the way that the keys sit together. I feel like when you're typing, they are somewhat close. That is mainly because you press the keyboard together to fit the macro keys on the side. But I feel like it's very easy to make typos, wrong presses. Of course you get used to it, but when I used it, I made a lot of typos. But this, I feel like this is a thing you get used to, so it's fine. But also something which is good to know before you buy this keyboard, that the keys, they are closer together than they may seem, and that could easily create typos. So beware of that. And then we get to the look. It has a very low-key look. It's this aluminium, it's brushed aluminium, it's dark, it just fits in everywhere. You can basically use it everywhere. You can make sure the RGB fits into maybe workplace. You can, for gaming it's obviously perfect. Yeah, it's very low-key and nice. The texture of the keys, they are smooth, but they have some friction a little bit. But they are very nice to touch and feel and use, so that is also very nice. And then we get to a control wheel, which Corsair has included. For me, it's kind of questionable what the control wheel does. I tried to use it a little bit, it didn't really do anything. I saw something change, but I don't know what. And when you scroll the wheel, it's not very responsive, it's not very smooth to scroll, so I don't really know the use for that. Obviously you don't have to use it. I thought the button on the scroll wheel was just to turn off the PC, turn on and off, which would be a nice feature. But that does not seem to be the case. So for me it's a bit questionable what this scroll wheel does, but I mean, it kind of looks good. So sure. Then we get to the value, of course. Is it worth getting this expensive keyboard Well, this is obviously a premium option, so I mean, if you're looking for something valuable, something cheap, something you don't have to spend too much money on, this is not the case. But this is a premium keyboard, a gaming keyboard, so this is for the most, maybe advanced, most like professional, someone who's very interested in gaming and feel like they need to get the best gaming keyboard 2022. And then this is the option to get. This is the best keyboard, except for the fact that you can easily create typos, then it is great. Personally, I don't feel like you can get a better keyboard 2022. But then again, it is expensive, so if you feel like it's worth it, then buy it. Okay, this was my review of the Corsair K100 RGB. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.